Hi there, I'm Chris Barton. I'm an author of books for kids, and a big part of my job is visiting schools and talking to students. And here's Ernie. A big part of his job is greeting me when I get home. There are two questions that I'm asked a lot. How do you make your books? Are you ever going to write a book about your dog? I can answer both of those at the same time. Ready? Here goes. How to Make a Book About My Dog. Written by me, Chris Barton. Illustrated by Sarah Horn. If I'm making a nonfiction picture book about my dog, Ernie, I'll need a lot of help. Not just from Ernie, and not just from the illustrator. Picture books are created by a whole team of people whose names don't all appear on the cover. At the very beginning of the process, though, it mostly is just me. Just me and lots of research. That's true even when I'm working on a book about my own dog. Sure, I know Ernie pretty well, and I can tell you a lot about him. What he's good at, playing hide and seek. Whether he likes to swim, not at all. How he looks when I walk him, crooked, as if his back end is trying to see around his front. But I'm not the only one with information about him. I'll ask other members of my family, his veterinarian, the people who fostered Ernie before we adopted him, and even someone at the animal shelter where Ernie stayed before being rescued. Librarians can help too. Maybe I'll visit a dog museum as well. Even when I already know a subject well, I do plenty of research using many resources. My goal is always to understand my subject deeply so that I can explain it simply and accurately.